How to pin a message in Instagram conversation. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Navigate to the profile page. You will be directed to the home page. Now click on the message icon given at the top right corner. Once you're over here, now open the conversation where you want to pin a message. Now head towards the message that you want to pin. Press and hold on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option pin. And just for that, the message will be pinned. The pinned message will appear at the very top. So this way you are able to pin a message in Instagram conversation. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.